There is a quick and easy fix for most jittery Atari paddles that does not require replacement or disassembly of the potentiometers. You will need a spray can of electronic cleaner, electronic lubricant, a 14mm socket, pliers will also work, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and a glove to protect your skin from overspray. Start by unscrewing the 2 screws in the back of the paddle, then pull off the front knob. Using a 14mm socket or a pair of pliers, remove the nut that was under the knob. Now pop out the potentiometer. Wearing a protective glove in the hand that holds the potentiometer, give it a blast of cleaner in the hole near the wires along the base. Then work the potentiometer left and right several times. Give the pot a second blast and spin it some more. Then hit it with a little bit of electronic lubricant and work it some more. Put the paddle back together in reverse order of disassembly. Make sure the wires are at the bottom of the paddle controller before screwing it back together. This should fix most jitter problems.